Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you are an admin or moderator. That access is mandatory. Once confirmed, open the group, tap Settings, then locate the Rules or Create Rules area. Make an initial list of categories: behavior, posting, privacy, tagging, so rules map to real situations. While you write, keep language clear and actionable. Avoid vague phrases. Use short sentences and examples. Make sure to draft 5-10 core rules first, then refine them for tone and enforceability before you save the first version. Now you draft rules that are concise and enforceable. State the behavior, give a short example, and list the consequence. For instance, no hate speech, removal and 7-day ban. That tells members exactly what to expect. Once you have each rule, apply consistent tone, friendly but firm, so moderation feels fair. Also outline step-by-step enforcement: warning, post removal, temporary suspension, permanent ban, and an appeal route. This helps moderators act quickly and keeps members informed about predictable outcomes. Finally, publish the rules and pin them to the top. Enable any built-in acknowledgement feature, so new members must confirm they read rules. Once done, train your moderation team on consistent enforcement and schedule reviews every 30-90 days to adjust language or penalties. If things go wrong, members dispute actions, log incidents, gather screenshots, and communicate transparently with the involved parties. Offer an appeal process. Make sure to update rules publicly when major changes occur, and notify the group so everyone stays aligned.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.